Templates are a powerful part of the Word experience, as they allow you to create and format documents based on patterns. Every document has an associated template, and you can insert the name of that template in the document itself by using a special field designed for that purpose. Every Word document has a template attached to it. This template defines things such as available macros and styles. If you do not explicitly attach a template, then Word uses the normal template. The name of the template file attached to your document can be inserted into your document and updated automatically. All you need to do is place the insertion point where you want that template name to appear. For instance, if I want it in the footer of this document, then all I have to do is go down to the footer, and then I'm going to go over to the Insert tab of the ribbon. And near the right side of the ribbon, I'm going to choose to insert a field right there, and that displays the field dialog box. In the categories list, I want to choose Document Information. That changes what's displayed in the field names down below. I'm going to go ahead and choose Template right down here, and then all I have to do is click on OK. Notice that it placed the template name, normal.dotm, right at the point where I had the insertion point a few moments ago. Now I can go back to my regular document, and that template name is safe and secure there within the footer. Remember that these steps only insert the template name. They don't actually change the template associated with the document. So that brings up the question of why you would want the template name inserted in the first place. A good reason is so that readers of a printed version of the document can understand what template was used with that document. I used to work for a book publishing company years ago, and we developed several different templates for use with our manuscripts. If an editor or author was going to read a printed version of the manuscript, having the template name visible in the printed document was helpful to make sure that the correct template was being used. That's why I placed it within the footer of this particular document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.